Hey friends, welcome to another edition of Timmy Talks. Today I have cord issues. What am I gonna do? Help! Okay, so I noticed when I woke up this morning, my phone and my watch weren't charged, even though they were plugged in all night long. And fiddling with the charger, I really figured out that my cord is dead, burnt out, I don't know, not working. So I'm gonna have to get a new cord because I have to charge my phone. And let's figure out how to do this. I think there's an app in India here that is gonna help me. And we don't have such thing, but it's really amazing. So check this out. Okay, so I have this app here called BLINKIT, and it's an amazing app. I wish we had such thing in the United States. Look at what it's saying. It's saying if you order something, it should come within 9 minutes. And this app is amazing. It has food, electronics, beauty things, decor, screwdrivers, anything that you need. It's like at your fingertips within minutes. And this is an amazing thing that we don't really have in the United States. I can't get a pair of jeans or a bottle of water, bananas, or anything delivered in 9 minutes. So I am looking for my cord for my iPhone. So let's see what options that they have. I want, let's see, iPhone cable. Here, iPhone cable. So let's see what options they have. Let's see here. I think I need to get let's see, type C. Okay, so I think this Plantronics USB-A, which is the regular USB to the Apple cord, I think that'll work. Okay, so I'm gonna add that to my cart, and let's see, I already have some things in my cart. I gotta take those out. Okay, so here, view cart, and I have delivery in 9 minutes, Plantronics USB lightning cable. All right, let's place our order. Okay, verification complete, and it's gonna send me back to BLINKIT. All right, order ready, arriving in 9 minutes. So let's start the timer, shall we? Timer is going. Let's see how long it actually takes to be delivered. And the one thing I love about the app is you can track where the driver is when he picks it up and how far away he is from you. Oh my gosh, here's the BLINKIT guy already. And it's amazing that BLINKIT will deliver wherever you need it, a restaurant, roadside, anything. And this came in 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, honestly can't believe that this came in 4 minutes. And on the app itself, you can rate your delivery partner and you can rate the item as well. Okay, so I honestly can't believe this came in 4 minutes. Okay, and this is a nice cord. This is like, textured. And this is like $2.50, $3, something like $3. Amazing. Okay, so let's see if it works. See, arrived in 5 minutes. Actually, it was under 5 minutes, but let's see if it works. I am amazed, shocked. I got a cord. I can't even walk to a store. I can't get a cab to go to a store in 4 minutes and 45 seconds or whatever it took to get that. And hey, we need this service in the United States, so if anybody wants to get together with me and start this thing, it's amazing. So, hey, thanks for watching another edition of Timmy Talks and coming along as I get my cord. Just amazing. India's incredible. Talk to you later. Take care now. Bye.